October 2024, highlights. Shalamar Hospital proudly launched its Breast Cancer Survivorship Program, a groundbreaking initiative providing essential support for breast cancer survivors as they embrace life beyond diagnosis. Celebrating World Bioethics Day at Shalamar Medical and Dental College, with Chairman Shahid Hussain. Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences and Servis Foundation have signed an MOU for the Chaudhry Ahmed Saeed Scholarship Fund, committing PKR 7.5 million annually for 5 years to support incoming MBBS students in their medical journey. Shalamar Hospital, in collaboration with the Pakistan Endocrine Society, successfully organized an insightful workshop on PCOS. The topic was Breaking the PCOS Code, a guide to diagnosis and treatment. We're excited to announce the launch of the Digital Diabetes Education Center and Tidbits Pakistan at Shalamar Hospital through an MOU with DGBET, the World Diabetes Foundation, CIDR, and Meethi Zindagi, empowering families with vital type 1 diabetes education and resources. On World Contraception Day, Shalamar Hospital's Department of Maternal and Child Health, led by Dr. Shaharzad Sohail, held a successful awareness event. Shalamar Hospital successfully hosted the one-day regional symposium and fistula repair camp, proudly endorsed by the International Urogynecologists Association, IUGA. On World Heart Day, the Cardiology team, led by Dr. Azra Mahmood, organized a successful heart health camp at Shalamar Hospital and Shalamar Medical and Dental College. The Obstetrics and Gynecology Department at Shalamar Medical and Dental College, in collaboration with Pediatrics and Anesthesia, successfully conducted intensive MNOC training for final-year MBBS students. The Breast Center team conducted an insightful session at a leading Saudi fintech company. Shalamar Department of Surgery and Allied recently hosted an introductory session to welcome Dr. Mumtaz Hussain, a renowned consultant pediatric orthopedic surgeon from the Children's Hospital Lahore, as visiting faculty in pediatric orthopedic surgery. Empowering Minds, World Mental Health Day session at Shalamar Hospital, raising awareness for a healthier society. Shalamar Hospital joined forces with DAF Tarquin, one for an impactful breast cancer awareness session by Dr. Javarius Sajid, consultant medical oncologist. Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences proudly hosted Professor Abdul Majid Chaudhry, a renowned surgeon, as part of our surgical grand rounds. The session emphasized the critical need for early breast cancer diagnosis and nationwide screening in Pakistan. In collaboration with Breast Center Shalamar Hospital, IMIG SMDC hosted an impactful event at the OPD of Shalamar Hospital. In collaboration with Breast Center Shalamar Hospital, IMIG SMDC hosted an inspiring event at Charka Welfare Institute, Lahore. Shalamar Hospital successfully hosted a one-day regional symposium on urogynecology beyond VH and AP repair in the light of integral theory. Shalamar Hospital strengthens safety with comprehensive fire drill and emergency training for staff preparedness. Empowering Communities, Dr. Javarius Sajid leads breast cancer awareness session at Servis Sales Corporation and Manufacturing, SSCM, advocating for early detection and health education. Celebrating dedication, Shalamar Nursing College's 11th capping, pinning and candle lighting ceremony honors future nurses on their journey of compassion and care. Hands-on abdominal ultrasound workshop, enhancing skills in essential knob adjustments. Organized by the Department of Medical Imaging Technology for SIHS students and healthcare professionals. Fall 2024 Orientation, welcoming new students to Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences. Level up your teaching. Gamifying Medical Education Workshop sparks engaged learning. 6th National Conference on Medical Journals, Pre-Conference Workshop on Mastering Medical Research Writing with Ethical Integrity. Professionalism at Workplace Workshop, Shalamar Medical and Dental College explores workplace culture, emotional intelligence, and teamwork for career growth. In collaboration with the Breast Center at Shalamar Hospital, this initiative made a significant impact at the Government Vocational Institute, Gajarpura, Tevda, Lahore, raising awareness and supporting the fight against breast cancer. Exciting news! JSHMDC is now recognized by the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, PMDC. This prestigious recognition enhances the journal's credibility and status under HEC and CPSP Pakistan. The SMDC Literary Society celebrates Urdu poetry at the All-Pakistan Bait Batsi and Mushara. MRCOG Part 3 Circuit Course Success. Shalamar Medical and Dental College's Maternal and Child Health Department hosted a 2-day MRCOG Part 3 circuit course, led by UK-based OSC trainer Dr. Safia Jabin, focused on RCOG exam standards. Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences successfully hosted the Professionalism and Ethics in Pediatrics workshop at Shalamar Medical and Dental College. Shalamar Cardiology team won 2nd place at the All-Pakistan Interventional Cardiology Conference. Special thanks to Dr. Fraz Ahmad and Dr. Rana Hanan for their presentation on entrapped microcatheter inside CTO body rescue.